First line. My favorite toy is a teddy bear. Second line. Its color is soft brown and it is very cute. Third line. I got it as a birthday gift from my parents. Fourth line. I play with my teddy bear every day. Fifth line. I share my feelings with it like a friend. Sixth line. It is very soft and comfortable to hug. Seventh line. I take it with me when I go to sleep. Eighth line. It makes me feel happy and safe. Ninth line. I take good care of my favorite toy. 10th line. I love my teddy bear very much.